Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by protecting your data. Back up everything to cloud or a PC so you can restore if needed. Next, enable developer options by tapping build number 7 times and confirm your lock PIN. This unlocks USB debugging. Then install Samsung USB drivers and the Android SDK platform tools on your computer. Make sure ADB recognizes the phone with a DB devices. Once done, you're ready to boot into the recovery or use Odin. This sequence prevents bricked devices and explains why each step matters. You now stop future installs and remove the updater. First, turn off automatic OTA downloads in Settings Software Update. This prevents reinstallation. Then reboot into download mode using your model's key combo. This allows flashing. Use Odin on PC to flash a stock firmware package that excludes the update agent, or flash a compatible custom ROM/kernel that omits the update binary. Follow the file order precisely. Make sure to disable reboots during flashing. Errors here cause boot loops, so proceed methodically. You finish by cleaning residual files and verifying system stability. Wipe the cache partition from recovery, then boot. If performance is good, restore your backup data. If you hit a boot loop, reflash the complete stock ROM via Odin, which restores system files, then recover your backup. If the bootloader or FRP lock blocks progress, use Samsung Find My Mobile to unlock or contact an authorized service center. One key tip: keep a copy of the original PIT or firmware package to revert quickly if something goes wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.